Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about INNOCN 34G1R Ultrawide Gaming Monitor. So friend, INNOCN unveils the latest 34-inch curved ultrawide gaming monitor 34G1R designed to redefine gaming experience with unparalleled impression and cutting-edge technology and boasting a stunning 34-inch curved ultrawide display with a resolution of 3440 into 1440 pixel, an impressive 165 refresh rate, and set a new standard in visual fluidity and clarity. And from the monitor is equipped with HDMI and DP port as well as Type-C port for power delivery, and it's guaranteed smooth device capability and bright colors. And fine details are delivered with every frame by the 34G1R. And friend, the monitor is equipped with integrated 2.1 stereo speakers. Audio quality is also on the front and enhancing gaming season with rich lifelike sound. The Max Games comes to life and convenience is also provided with the inbuilt charger pad. Makes it simple to charge comfortable devices. And friend, the monitor is priced approximately 399.99 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.